You are going to love the 2024 F-350 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-350 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 200 miles. Your new ride is just a phone call away.